I started doing Uber Eats delivery because I had to pay rent, my car installments, car insurance, groceries, and all the different bills that I had to pay. And I got laid off. Hi, I am Disha, and if you are here, you are probably looking for real answers about how to build a career in Canada. Let me tell you, my journey wasn't a straight line. Well, it was a very wild ride. So, if I can do it, so can you. But you know what? Everyone says that when you are too happy and feel like you are settled in your life, things can get a little unexpected, and that's what happened with me. I got laid off. And very honestly, that was a very devastating time. I was very sad, but I know back of my head that I had to pay rent. I had to pay my car installments. I had to pay car insurance. I had to pay for my groceries and all the different bills that I had to pay. So at that time, I was like, maybe this is not the best time to feel sad about my life and start doing something. So just to keep myself afloat, I started doing Uber Eats delivery. I was living in St. Catharines, which was not too competitive at that time in terms of like Uber deliveries and stuff. So I started doing deliveries, trying to make at least like $100, $200 a day. Sometimes that could not be the case. I could only make like $40, but at least I was working, I was getting money, so it worked out for that time being. And it taught me different things as well. So, how to communicate with people, how to keep a smile on your face even when life's miserable and not so happening. So, I think that was a crash course before I entered again the Canadian job market. And at the same time, I was actually job hunting, job searching, whatever you want to call it. I was doing that in some of the time that I could in 24 hours. I was job hunting, reaching out to people on LinkedIn, networking like crazy, asking them questions, and just staying active on LinkedIn and reaching out to new people every day. Things got a lot easier for me. And finally, I think it was December that year when I got another job offer. I accepted it with more confidence and more than ready to start on a new journey. One day, I randomly, I don't know what happened, I decided to post on LinkedIn about my journey and few tips for public health grads, because me being a public health grad, I was like, let me share something, let me share real advice. And little did I know that post just took off. Like people started reaching out, they were DMing, they were commenting on my post, and I noticed that there are so many people who want real advice and not just feel good stories. They want step by step strategies about how to find a job in the real Canadian market after you graduated. So I was like, okay, I can take over and look after public health, but what about different fields? I don't know anything about coding. I don't know about what a business analyst do, because how would I? So then I started reaching out to different professionals from different background, and I was like, let us all come together, start something, start helping people. And that's how I launched Millennials Career Hub. We started by just charging $100 for our package. Yes, you heard it right. Just $100, because we thought, like me as a founder, I thought that no one has to pay $1,000+ when they are unemployed. Like if someone would have asked me to pay when I was unemployed for 6 months, I would be like, no, thank you, bye-bye, because I wouldn't have that much money. So when I say this today, we have now made resumes like around 2,000+ resumes. We have revamped 100+ LinkedIn profiles, and very proudly, we have scheduled more than 500 interviews for our clients. But let me tell you, I'm not stopping here. My goal for 2026 is bigger than ever. I am planning to onboard new coaches from different fields. I am planning to have more custom packages for different people and their different needs on their job search journey. I want to get more and more job seekers get hired. That is my goal for 2026. I am not stopping, because very honestly, if someone would have told me 3 years ago that I'd be here on this platform, on this professional brand that I have made, MCH, helping thousands of people getting their jobs, very honestly, I wouldn't have believed it for a second. So, coming and wrapping everything up, here's I want to tell you all who are viewing this that the job market is hard. It is unexpected. It can be very finicky. But what I did was I kept showing up. I kept pushing. And that's what I want for you as well. And that's what I'm going to tell you too. Keep showing up. Keep reaching out to people. Just show up. Because if you don't, who's gonna know that you are looking for a job? And if you want to get like more one-on-one job search help, reach out to us. Comment on this YouTube video. Reach out to us on our website, our Instagram page, anywhere. We can book a free one-on-one consultation right away. And you don't have to waste a single penny for that. And the next thing is, I am going to have more and more people coming on this channel, on my podcast, where I want to bring the real stories of real people just like you who have come to Canada from different countries, different backgrounds, everything different, and now they have a nice settled life over here in different careers. So I will be bringing them on, sharing and learning about what different fields are doing, what things, whatever. It's a lot of different discussions that gonna happen. So I want you to really keep connected. So subscribe, hit the bell button now, and just keep on engaging with us. Let us know if you want to get some other advices or want us to cover any other topic, and I'll be happy to do that. So stay tuned.